EEAT is not just for one location, it scales, but only if it's applied consistently. In multi-location dental clinics, I often see a pattern. One location has strong authority signals while others are less defined, and that creates uneven performance. When we talk about EEAT, that means experience, expertise, authority, and trustworthy. It is usually applied at a single clinic level, one website, one profile, one location. But for multi-location practices, that approach is incomplete because patients are not just choosing a brand, they are choosing a location, and Google evaluates each location individually, which means authority needs to exist everywhere, not just at the primary or most established office. The challenge I see in dental practices is authority is often concentrated in one place, strong reviews at one location, more content focused on one office, more visibility for one Google business profile. Meanwhile, other locations don't receive the same level of support. From a patient perspective, this can create inconsistency. Some locations feel established, others feel less visible or less validated. What tends to work in practice is relatively consistent. First, each location needs its own clear authority signals. This include clearly presented providers, consistent descriptions of expertise, and visible trust indicators, not duplicated but consistently represented. Second, localized trust matters. Each location builds credibility through its own reviews, patient interactions, and community presence. These signals are specific to each area. Third, consistency across all locations is tended to brand. When every location reflects the same level of credibility, it reinforces the overall perceptions of the clinic. This is where many practices miss an opportunity. They focus on scaling operations but not scaling authority, and that differences show up in search visibility. Some locations rank well, others remain underrepresented, which leads to a simple question. Is your authority being distributed across all your locations or concentrated in just one?